Are you encountering an issue while trying to purchase UC in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone? If you're facing any payment issues in PUBG Mobile, then in this video I will show you an easy and advanced troubleshooting guide to fix the issue. Let's begin. Before you check anything, make sure you have a veiled card added to your iPhone and that it has an available balance. Solution 1. Check your connection. First, open a browser and try to check your internet speed. If it's poor and not stable, enable airplane mode. Wait for 20 seconds and then turn it back on. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out PUBG Mobile, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Tap Reset All Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset All Settings, tap Reset All Settings again. After following these steps, your PUBG Mobile payment issues will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.